Sabihin, syempre, when you go to school, teacher will say, good morning, class. Good morning, Julian. What will you say to your teacher? Oh.
Lakasan mo kasi.
Good morning!
Okay. Very good. Good job. Okay. Yeah. Do you see the screen now? Do you see the screen?
Yes,
Yes.
I see.
What letter is that?
A.
A. Is it a mother A or a baby A? Is it a baby A or a mommy A?
What is that?
Mommy A.
A mommy A. Can you give me an object that starts with A?
Apple.
Okay. What about an object?
Another one is astronaut.
Ah, that's a person. Object.
Things. What kind of things? Like maybe your...
A ship.
No.
A. An object that starts with A.
How about this? Julian.
How do you go to the Philippines? Where do you ride?
Torch. I said this is for torch. Like,
No, hindi. Ito.
Julian,
Ano to?
how do you go to the Philippines? Where do you ride? Oh, what's that?
but it's an Air Force. Airplane.
An airport is a place and an airplane is an object, okay? An astronaut is a person.
But this is the Air Force.
It will go to the airport.
Yeah.
You give me an animal that starts with A.
Oh, the one like who? I know the one who steals food.
Ah,
The
where are
one
you?
who steals food. The one like this. You think this is food?
Ano yun?
Wala pa akong mga pictures eh.
I know what starts with the animal with A. It's not an animal. It's a bug.
It's a bug.
Okay, ano yun?
What is it?
You know it? I know what's that.
What's that?
It's ant.
An ant. Okay, it's an ant. Okay. So we're done with the place, an airport, an object, an airplane, a person, an astronaut, a bug that belongs to the animal kingdom, which is an ant. Okay, let's go to this letter.
Oh, B.
Animal.
I know what. It's not an animal. It's a pet.
It's a pet.
Dog.
B.
B. Ball. Dog. Oh, it's too hard.
Oh, come on, think. Animal that starts with B.
Oh, I know it.
Uh-huh.
B.
B.
That doesn't look like a bear.
What? What animal?
Bear.
Bear. Good job. What about a person?
A person daw. A person.
Person that begins with B.
A person daw.
A person who starts with T.
B.
B. Boy.
Again? What?
Ano na mo?
What's
Lakasan mo.
that?
Boy.
Yes! Very good.
Boy.
Huwag masyadong malakas. Huwag masyadong malakas.
A
Okay.
place.
Place.
America.
B.
B.
Oh, I know it. Brazil.
Wow! Very good. Person,
Galing. O,
place, animal. What about the thing?
Balik. Balik.
Remember the little
Think daw, think.
Thing that starts with B.
Robot.
No.
Huh? B?
I think doggy.
No. B.
Oh, car.
No.
B.
Oh, ball.
Huh?
Ball.
Box? Okay. I thought you were thinking of a bottle. Let's go
Basketball.
to the next.
Basketball.
A ball.
Okay, C.
What letter is this?
C.
Okay, a mommy or a baby?
Ay, parinig mo yung kanta mo.
Letter C. Letter C. The letter comes after letter B. Listen very carefully.
Jessie,
Pinabasa
volume
niyo,
niya? Oo.
Listen, listen.
Volume natin. Ang mahina.
Listen.
Okay, that is right. Try
O, mag-isip ka na ng mga letter.
Good.
Letter
Again,
word.
can you sing it for me?
Oh, dali.
Again.
I forgot what's the song from ABC Mouse.
Letter C.
Huh?
I forgot
Dali
the
na, come on.
Kasi nakaano pala tayo. Oh.
letter C. Letter C. The letter comes after letter B. Listen very carefully. I just know that.
Okay.
Can I sing my Golden Gate song?
Yeah, try. Okay. You can.
I should hear the
Ma'am,
song.
ma'am,
The Golden Gate song. Okay. I don't know that song.
Yung Golden Gate. Anong
The
kanta?
Golden Gate song. What's that?
It's I forgot.
Okay, letter, anong next na
Okay.
letter?
Let's
Sino
go back to our whiteboard. What letter is that again?
C.
C. Mother or baby?
Mother.
Mother. Okay. Let's think of an animal that begins with C.
Ducky? No.
Animal.
Come on, you know that.
Tortoise?
No, C.
C.
Hmm.
Lagi mong pinapakain sa labas.
Duck.
Tiningning daw.
Ano
Ano siya?
I know what starts with letter C. It's named Mimi and it's Kitty Catty.
Isang sagot lang.
Cat.
Cat. Okay.
Okay.
What about person?
Person.
Person? I think it's girls.
No.
Oh! I know. Boy.
No, letter
We
C.
were at letter C already.
See?
Mm-hmm.
Letter C. Daddy? No. Tito Maui? No. Mommy? No. Kid? No. Huh?
How about
Person na start sa letter C.
Di ba? Tuloy siya. C.
Terry?
No, C.
I don't know.
Chef. Chef Maui. Chef.
Oh, chef.
A chef.
It's supposed to be Tito Maui, I know.
A chef is a person. So it begins with C.
But it's also to Tito Maui.
M.
But it's also to Tito Maui because he's a baker.
Baker. The B.
Isang sagot.
Okay.
I will
Okay,
take
let's
clap.
pass. Pass ka na. Pass for the person letter C. Pass.
Clown.
Cloud. Thing. Animal, a thing, a person, and a place.
Place lang. Letter C.
America?
No.
American. A place.
Anong place lang?
Brazil.
It's
You go every Sunday to pray.
Great Wall of
I know it's Great Wall of China.
China. Sabi ni tatay, ang galing daw. May Great Wall of China, China ka pang nalalaman dyan. Okay. Wala na ako. Okay.
Oh, yeah. I know. I just know one word of the
Yan na, hindi na po.
one. from the ABC Mouse Song of Golden Gate. 1 mile long. But it's so long.
Okay.
Uh-uh.
Next na, next.
You will sing the Golden Gate song or you will identify the next letter which I have written?
Oh, I know what's that.
What?
Mommy D.
Mommy D. Mommy Delicia. Mommy D. Okay.
I know what for D.
Oh, it's
For,
for
and two, it's supposed to be two animals.
2 animals.
Dog.
Dog.
Dog and duck.
Dog and
Duck.
have a stuffed toy like that. Begins with D. I saw you have a stuffed toy like